Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free. And I have been so disciplined by not opening this box earlier. Things have been very busy and I've been so curious what's in here, but I wanted to be sure I actually did the unboxing with you guys. Here we go.
Wow.
This is my subscription service box that comes in from Lev Halalam. It means heart of the world, and it's from different people who have businesses in Judea and Samaria, just to give them a way to be able to get their products out to the world. I love opening these, so let's see what the theme is this time and see what we have in here. So hope you guys know how much I love you, because I couldn't get to this for a little while, and now I'm very excited to share it with you. All right, cut this open and see what we've got here. Unboxings are so much fun. There we go. This one has a little bit of a different scent this time. Curious. They always smell really good. Okay. The desert, the place where seekers go. Psalm 63:2 says, I search for you, my soul thirsts for you, my body yearns for you as a parched and thirsty land that has no water. Wow. So there's a set of postcards that are supposed to be in here with photographs of Israel's deserts that were shot from the bird's eye view high above the deserts. Oh cool, that's going to be neat. Let me see here. Step into the desert. Oh wow, okay, this is so cool. Asaf Solomon loves flying, loves taking pictures, and loves the land of Israel. In a way unique to this man whose love of life and land is palpable, he combines these three passions whenever he takes flight. Oh wow, I mean, this guy's like in an ultralight picture here. I have a very powerful connection to this land, says Asaf. In every place in the world there are beautiful places. But there's a history that's behind the land's beauty. It's like nowhere else. Here, the history that's behind the land's beauty is like nowhere else. And there's every kind of topography here. The sea, the mountains, the flatlands, and of course the desert. Asaf says his love of Israel's deserts is particularly strong, for when he takes flight above them, he feels the history of the Jewish people's wanderings so strongly, and feels the freedom of what it means to be alive in our ancestral land. He has always loved sharing his photographs with friends and everyone who isn't fortunate enough to join him on his flights, and so very happy to share his work now with friends of Lev Halalam. And like I said, there's a picture here of him like it looks like an ultralight. That's very cool. So, an essay in photographs. Oh wow. And then this is a map. This thing, when I open it up, it's a map. Let's look at these. Oh my goodness. This is one of those incredible pictures where you're filming from above and the shadows make it look like all the animals are walking, but it's actually directly from above. I hope you can see that. That is so cool. I'll check, and if you can't, I'll do a really good shot. Oh, these are just beautiful pictures taken from, oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. And then there's just, oh man, information and, oh, cool. So, like a picture here that has flocks. It's got scripture in here from Exodus, and oh, really neat stuff here. I can't read every single one of these right now, but these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's neat. So he flies around just enjoying the beautiful topography and taking pictures. That sounds like fun. That sounds cool. Okay, an acacia tree hook from the Negev desert. Oh, neat. Mordecai Korkos is an artist from Kibbutz Neit Simander, a kibbutz in Israel's Negev desert that was established in 1989 by a group of friends interested in creating a dynamic learning community that focuses on cooperation and creativity in daily life. And he says here, one of the items I use as inspiration in my work is the acacia tree, one of the dominant trees in southern Negev. It's a large tree, strong and mighty and royal. So this is a small hanger for important things, inspired by this royal acacia tree. Oh boy, that's so cool. Oh my goodness. I had a friend in high school that after high school went and to a kibbutz in Israel. He's just a friend of mine I had in school. Pretty cool. Oh, cool, honey. Look. It's a place to hang keys. I know right where I want to put that. And it's an acacia tree. That is seriously cool. We'll nail that up. I know right where I want to put this because I've got places where I like to be able to hang keys and stuff. That is really neat. All right. Let's see what we have here. Oh, Shalva tea. Israeli herbal tea infusions. Oh, cool. I gotta smell this. I've loved, excuse me, hiccups. Oh my goodness. Whenever I get hiccups, I'm gonna sound really funny trying to talk. My students used to get a big kick out of when I got hiccups when I was trying to teach, because it makes it hard for someone to take you seriously. Oh man, does that smell good. This blend was inspired by the native plants of the Arava Valley of southern Israel, home to a delicate array of aromatic and hardy herbs nestled far below sea level. Cool. Part of the ancient incense route connecting the Middle East with Africa, the valley gets rain only in the winter months, leaving the desert-adapted chamomile to flourish in the partial shade of dry riverbeds throughout the summer. Oh, it's just a combination of all sorts of lovely herbs. Shalva tea. Oh, I will enjoy that. I love drinking herb teas. Yep, cool. Roasted and packaged in the Jordan Valley. I wish I could pronounce things correctly. Pitsukai Habika'a. Anyway, lovely, lovely nuts. I'm going to enjoy those. Plum Delight Organic Energy Bar with hazelnuts and whole sesame seeds. Neot Samadar, organic from the desert. No preservatives, no GMO, gluten-free, that's good. No sugar added. This is cool. Organic plums rich in minerals and fibers, hazelnuts, different seeds. This is from Kibbutz Neit Simander. Just like I said with the other, the little thing to hang stuff on. Wow. It's located in the Negev region of Israel. A large and diverse bioorganic farm was established. So they're growing dates and grapes and olives and apricots and plums and apples and more. And then they turn it into all sorts of high-quality organic delicacies, juice, nectar, spreads, and a myriad of date-based products. Cool. All right, let me see what these are like. Want to try a bite, hun?
No, no.
Okay. I'm going to try a bite. And now on here, everything's written in Hebrew. That's so cool. My granddaughter had to do a report for school about a country, and she picked Israel. It was really cool because I was able to give her some food from Israel that she could take in to show everybody for her project. That was really cool. Okay, so this is It's been ages since I've had a plum. Oh, that is really good. No added sugar. Seeds, plums, seeds, nuts. Oh no, that is really, really good. Sorry, I'm chewing. The back of our, we get our little booklet every single time. It gives recipes. It talks about all the people that are involved with all these products. On the back is saying Israel's Negev desert at first appears barren, but is teeming with life. Wow. So much so that it's the only desert in the world that's reversing desertification. Wow. It's mysteriously beautiful there. In the thin silence, you can feel the voice of God. Wow, 90% of Israel's melon exports are now grown in the Negev. Wow. All right, so just a bunch of information and recipes. It's always so interesting to read this and to talk about all the different places where this comes from, the different people and their families, and always very interesting. Put that right under here. Okay. Holy cacao located in the Hebron Hills of Judea and Samaria. Samaria, I've gotten the holy cacao before. They've been crafting award-winning chocolate since 2008. We source the cacao directly from farmers all over the world, paying premium prices for the best quality. The taste reflects our hard work put in by all the partners in their fields and factories. Wow, with hazelnuts. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, it's a hazelnut and cocoa spread.
Sounds like Nutella from Israel.
Like Nutella from Israel. Hazelnut and cocoa. Very simple ingredients, very basic, which is always wonderful. All right, I gotta just at least, let's see, just get the little seal off here. Huh. Wow, that's a tough little, seal. Ooh, hear that nice pop? All right. Oh my goodness, honey. Just, what are we now? Okay. Oh, that is just lovely. It's not real, well, maybe when I stir it, it'll be thicker. It might have a little bit like thinner on top, but the flavor, I just had a little touch of it from the lid. That flavor is fairly outstanding. Wow. Okay, now, wild yarrow face milk from Kedar, Kedar. Wild yarrow is a desert plant that's extracted from the Judean desert. Plants that are grown in the wild in difficult desert conditions are more resilient than domesticated plants. I can see that. The yarrow plant is known to help delay the aging process of the skin, to deeply nourish the skin and strengthen skin tone. It's suitable for use on sensitive or irritated skin, especially beneficial for use around the eyes and on the face. Okay. So this is the I've had some of the nicest cosmetics come. Now, face milk. Cleanse, moisturize, purify. Huh. No idea what I'm doing here. Press. Okay. Oh, it pops up. Duh. Oh, what a nice, it's always the nicest smells. Oh, oh. Once again, I'm trying to figure out what that smell is. Because this is all in Hebrew. Let me see the box. Oh, it's got an English here too. There's avocado in it, shea, of course, which is wonderful. All sorts of herbs. And the wild yarrow. Oh, I'm not sure. That smell is... Well, I'll figure it out, but it smells really good. Okay, this one here then. Powerful anti-aging eye cream. Okay. Ooh, especially for around the eyes. Once again, just a very delicate little scent. Anyway, oh, and I have very sensitive skin, so that actually it has like almost no scent at all, which is nice because it's just right around the eyes. This, I don't know what this smell is, but it is heavenly. Okay, all right. Well, that was everything in the box. As usual, it's just so much fun to open this, and I'm always learning new things. So we'll just recap very quickly. Oh, recipe here. Oh my goodness, a recipe here to use that hazelnut chocolate spread to make a chocolate pie. Oh my goodness. So we've got the hazelnut spread, we've got the nuts mix, the snack bars, which I still need to finish mine, that beautiful postcard set, the facial cleanser with eye cream, and the tree-shaped, like just jewelry organizer. Very cool. And then the tea. All right. Isn't that cool? It's so much fun getting these. So I will have a link in the description below. Easy to find. Love Ha'olam just means heart of the world. Easy to find online if you want to look and see what all they have. I think they've got a store there that you can go to now that's online. But I love getting these boxes. They've all been wonderful. And it feels good to support these families that are just trying to make a living and trying to create beautiful things and delicious things. So, all right, guys, well, be blessed. And thanks for joining with me. Live simple, live free, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.